Over $80,000 in affiliate commissions just in the last 51 days. It's $80,997 is what I've been able to do with my brand new affiliate marketing campaign. If you're an affiliate marketer and your campaign sucks right now, or you're not generating any commissions, click the link in the video descriptions, because that's going to take you to the exact campaign that I use to be able to generate these types of commissions. Now, with that being said, let me preface this by saying that my results are not typical. I don't do typical things in my business, and neither should you. This all, by the way, came in with 100% free traffic, and I even show you when you click the link below how to get this free traffic. So let me show you some results, okay? Because there's a lot of people you probably watch on YouTube that are teaching you methods and tricks and all this kind of stuff, but are any of them showing you actual results? So let me show you. Let's jump here to my email, and if I scroll down, as you can see right now, it's 4:54 p.m. And at 2 p.m., I had a $597 commission came in. At 3:14 p.m., I had a $1,497 commission came in. And that's already what? That's $2,100 plus for the day, or somewhere around there. I'm not so good at math, so you do the math on that. Now, here's the thing. If we go here, this is my shopping cart. As you can see, this is where I collect some of the programs that I promote are 100% commissions, and the commissions go directly to you. So you can basically set up this exact same thing here. And check this out. Look at the dates. September 19 to November 9, which is today. Total, let's look at this. Net sales, 32,272. Now, this is actually not the only program that I promote. Let's look at another one here. This is E1U Life. This is another one of the programs that I promote. And just in the last 51 days, another $48,725. So if we add all of these up, which I did just before I started recording this video here, check this out. 48,725 plus 32,272. That is a total of $80,997 in 51 days. $80,997 in 51 days. So now, let me ask you this. If you're looking to make big commissions with affiliate marketing, what I want you to do is this. There's only 3 steps to making this work. I'm going to show you exactly the traffic source that I use, free traffic, but you're going to need to follow my instructions. Okay, there's 3 steps. Step number 1, click the link just below the video description. Step number 2, when you click the link below, it's going to take you to watch a webinar. I want you to watch that. That's very, very important. I reveal the traffic source there, okay? Really important. And it's a free traffic source, by the way, which means that out of these 80,000, I get to keep the whole thing, right? Because there's no ad budget, there's no ad cost. Second step, you want to get set up, okay? There's 3 steps to making this work. And by setup, I mean, if you've done affiliate marketing at all in the past, you know that there's usually, when you sign up for a program, there's an affiliate ID that you get. So I'm going to give you my campaign, my actual campaign that I use, but you need to get the affiliate IDs and put them in, right? So this way, if you're using my marketing campaign, the system knows, the marketing campaign knows what's your affiliate ID. So if a commission comes in, it knows to send that to you. And also, step 2 is get that set up. And you want to get set up, especially with income stream number 1, with the Vertex Live level. Now, let me run you through some stuff, because there's a special promotion that's happening right now until November 11th. So there's not a lot of time. Hopefully you're not watching this after November 11th, but if you're watching this before, here's the promo. When you sign up at income stream number 1, because there's multiple income streams actually, there's several income streams inside the system, you need to activate the first one to a level called Vertex Live. That's the level that's enabling me to earn these big $2,000 commissions, and many other members are being able to earn these $2,000 commissions, and that's the one you want to have. You get a custom website with it, you get a logo, you get all that stuff, which you're going to need anyways, because with the traffic source that I'm going to show you, you're going to need to have your own site, because people are going to be checking you out and stuff. People are going to be coming to you asking, hey, what is it that you're promoting and all that kind of stuff. So you're going to need a website. So the income stream number 1 will provide you that. You basically get a custom site built for you with your logo and everything. They do all of that. So get signed up at Vertex Live. Now, when you sign up at Vertex Live, here's what you get, okay? Because I need to help you, not just by giving you the campaign and showing you the offers and giving you the traffic source so you can leverage the same traffic source that I do. But also I'm going to help you get the traffic. One of my best traffic sources is YouTube videos, right? So how do you get traffic from YouTube if you're not necessarily wanting to record videos and stuff? Well, here's what we're going to do. When you sign up at Vertex Live and you join my team, specifically my team, by clicking the link below, what's going to happen is this. I'm going to give you my YouTube videos so you can actually upload them to your own channel, upload them to your own social media, and basically use them to generate traffic. Whatever traffic comes in, that's yours to keep. Whatever commissions come in, that's yours to keep too. Now, in addition to that, there's also one more thing that I want to do for you. And again, that's only valid until November 11th, because after that, this promo is over. I want to help you grow your channel, your social media, because I use Facebook and YouTube as my traffic sources to be able to generate these types of commissions. Now, in order for you to generate these types of commissions, you need to essentially grow your following. So I want to help you do that really, really fast. And there's a secret software that I use to do giveaways to be able to do that. And I'm going to be hooking you up with this software. It's a $2,000 piece of software. And that's small little piece of a much larger bonus package. This is what I call a super bonus, essentially. And this bonus is what's going to help you with generating more people following you, subscribing to your channel. You're going to grow your following, and basically you can promote any program you want, including this one, and be able to get visitors to it and potentially get sales and knock it out of the park. So step number 3 is to generate the traffic. I'm going to be helping you with that by giving you my videos and everything, and also the secret giveaway software. So, but again, that's a limited time promotion. I hope you're not watching this after that date, because once the date reaches, that's it. This is the end. So go ahead and click the link below. 3 steps. Remember, step number 1, watch the webinar. Step 2 is get set up with Vertex Live and join my team. I'm going to hook you up with the software, with the videos, with everything, with the marketing campaign that I use. And step 3, start sending traffic, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Exactly step by step how to do it. You just need to follow it. Follow the steps and you're basically done. So go ahead, do that right now, and I'll see you inside the system soon.